guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is we're going to do 3 Dollar Tree Valentine DIYs that are so easy to do, but they have such a nice look. They almost look farmhouse, 2 of them, and the other one is just adorable, I think. But first, before we get started, I'd like to thank everyone who sent me cards and gifts while I was in the hospital with COVID. I haven't opened the cards yet because in Pensacola, it is so bad. We had 54 people die last month. I mean, you'll see 12 people die a day. It's just horrible. So I'm worried about, like, the post office. I'm pretty sure everything should be, any COVID, like, of the virus should be dead on anything that was sent to me. But I'm a little leery still, but I have it and I'm going to open it and I'm going to do shout outs. But you all are so sweet, and those of you who sent me gifts, my husband opened those and I just want to thank you, but I'm going to incorporate a video on the gifts and the cards for a shout out. But you all are the sweetest. You've truly touched my heart between your prayers, your words of encouragement, and the cards and the gifts. Just to think that you would take your time to do any of that, it really touches my heart, and I want to thank every one of you. And just the fact that you watch my videos and give them thumbs up and comment, it means the world to me. So I couldn't have better subscribers no matter what, okay? So let me give you a brief update and then we'll get into the DIYs of how I'm doing. You may notice in some of my videos, I don't know, my right hand will shake, or this index finger, and there's not much I can do about it. I'm not nervous. It's just since COVID, that's something that I'm dealing with. I'm also still a little short of breath, but it's much better. And I'm pale. I put on tons of bronzer today, even on my neck, and blush. I think I still look kind of pale, so I don't know. But other than that, I'm so blessed and so happy to be back with you all. So let me go ahead and show you what you need for this first project for Valentine's. Okay, you're going to need one of these houses that Dollar Tree sold, okay? And then you're going to need some of their heart grapevines, right like this. All right, just one package will do. And then you're going to need some scissors and a pen or a pencil, a glue gun, and then scrapbook paper of your choice. And this is the one I wanted because I wanted Be Mine to be right in the center. I think it's really cute. And that's another thing with COVID you'll notice. My mind is shot. My short-term memory, I'm really having problems with that since COVID. So bear with me. Okay, then you're going to need, this is totally optional. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. You get quite a few. It's just a little stand, and it's in their wood section. I picked this up, I would say, a good 6 to 7 months ago, maybe longer. But you don't have to have that. Now, I used a 40% off coupon, but they're doing away with the 40% off coupon. I'm so sad. Not that I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby right now, but early sometime in February. But this is optional, okay? So let me go ahead, get everything flipped down, and we'll get started with this adorable little DIY. Okay, the first thing you want to do is find your scrapbook paper that you like, okay? And then I just took a razor knife. I have a real small one, and I went right in here with the razor knife and got it loose, okay, because I didn't know how long it would take me. And that's all you have to do. Then you just lay this on top of your piece of scrapbook paper, trace around it, and cut it out. It's really, really... Okay, you also need some type of glue. I'm just going to use this Elmer's school glue right here. I like it. When I did my planners, that's what I used. And I am going to start doing the planners. I know you all have heard that. I had a question about it. But I've lost the little adapter that allows me to film with my camera. So until I find that, I'm kind of stuck. And then you just put this on here. You could use any type of glue that you wanted. Okay, then we're just going to put this right on here. Okay, then just press down, and that's what we're getting so far. I think that is so cute. Okay. Okay, then just put you some glue. I'm putting it pretty liberally because I want it to stick. The only thing about hot glue is you have to make sure you have it where you want it. Okay, and this is what we have. You could also just probably put some glue in there. I got mine a little crooked, but I can't do anything about it right now because it's not going to come off. Okay, but you'll be really super careful. I thought I was being careful, but I'm afraid I shake a little bit. All right, so now what I want to do is take one of these grapevine hearts, okay, and I want to put it to where Be Mine is right sticking out. Which way do I want to put my heart? I think I'm going to put it this way. I think it will adhere better like that. Okay. Then just sort of center it and press down. And that's what we're getting so far. I think that is so adorable, okay? And these hearts are a little wonky, and that is fine. I love it. Okay, now you could paint this if you wanted. I think if I was going to paint it, I would do white or maybe the color of that pink in there. But I just decided I didn't want to get around the paint, and I thought this would look so cute, just natural, okay? Then all you gotta do is take this, put some glue on it, and just kind of flip this upside down and press it on there. And that's what we have. Is that not adorable? If you would see that out in the store, you'd pay so much money for it, okay? So there it is. It sets up nice and pretty. Okay, for this next one, what you're going to need is 2 of these foam dice from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 in a pack, and the pack looks like this. So you'll need 2 packages of this, the foam dice, all right? And they're green or different colors, okay? And then you're going to need some of these Dollar Tree letters, okay? If you have a Cricut, you can always make yours that way, but I wanted to just do it this way. It's a lot quicker, okay? And then some ribbon, and I think I may use this from the Dollar Tree. I think it is so pretty, okay? And then you're going to need some of these hearts from the Dollar Tree. Okay. And then you're going to need whatever color you want to do yours. I made a tic-tac-toe board out of these a couple years ago. And but I like this Waverly chalk paint in the plaster. I think it's really pretty for this, okay? So now, this is funny, but I don't like to get near, since I've had the COVID pneumonia and I'm much, much better. But I didn't want to get near paint, so I had my husband paint these for me, okay? So he was so funny as he was standing here painting it. He said, "Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the Magnolia Housewife." He was cracking me up. I couldn't believe him. He's funny. Okay, so let me find a really good side. Okay. All right, so you want to paint them, okay? Then all you have to do is just get your stickers from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put this one right here. Okay, and it has an L on it. I think this is so sweet. And then we need a V. And an E. These are so quick, they don't take any time. They would definitely be a 5-minute craft. If that's what you were looking for, you definitely would have it. Okay. And the E, okay. And then for the O, you could put an O there if you wanted, but I didn't want to. I'm going to get one of these, put it right here in the center. And that's what we have. I think that is so adorable, okay? Then I'm going to take this ribbon right here. You could take Jenga blocks if you wanted and put it around it, but I'm going to try this ribbon. You could also take burlap, but I thought this would give us a really nice effect. So all I'm going to do now is bring this up around, tie it. I'm going to tie it in a knot first. Okay. Then we're just going to tie a bow . Chevron our ends. This would be a good 2-person job, I think. One could hold it, but you don't have to have somebody hold it. But I think it would make life a lot easier. I think I'm going to cut this one back more. Looks a little long. And this is what we're getting. I think that is so sweet and cute, okay? So I'm gonna set that right here. Now, you definitely want to tie yours really tight, but I think that is precious. That is so cute. So here's the last one, and it is so adorable, okay? What you'll need is one of these Dollar Tree picture frames, anything like this, okay? And some scrapbook paper of your choice. This to me just looked like it picked up the colors in my little gnome that I found, okay? Now, as you all know, I couldn't find any of the gnomes at the Dollar Tree. I was too late to the game, but look, you can get your own. I'll leave the link in the description box below. They have, when you download this, they're PNG files. You just print them out. You don't have to have a Cricut, or you could, if you have a Cricut, you can take your Cricut and make stickers out of these, whatever, or put them on shirts, of anything. But just print it out. If you don't have a Cricut, I just printed mine out on cardstock, okay? I just used white, and I just changed the size to fit what I wanted. And then they have females, males, they have letters, they have balloons, they have hearts, and it's not very much. I think it's like $2 or $3, and you get tons of these. Look how adorable he is, okay? So all we're going to do for this is so cute, but I wanted a gnome so bad, and I didn't get one. So now I have my own gnome. Just going to cut this off because I'm not going to use that. I'm going to take this, my Elmer's glue. I'm going to put it on the back of this paper. You can really decorate very inexpensively. Okay, then we're just going to put this right on here. Okay, right on here like that. And you see how well these colors pick up? I just thought it was really cute. Then we're just going to put some school glue on the back of our little gnome. This is so adorable. Center him up. Press him down. I love little gnomes. That's what we're getting so far. Then we're just going to drop it back in there. Okay, and this is what we have. Is he not absolutely adorable? He is so cute. It's not even funny. So if you weren't able to find your gnomes at the Dollar Tree, you can make your own. Okay, so let's take a look at all three a little bit better. Well, here's our first one that we made. I think it is so adorable. Just look at that. And I love how Be Mine is in the center of that heart. I just think it is precious, okay? Like I said, you could paint this if you wanted. You don't have to. I think it gives it a very farmhouse look. So here's that one. Then here's our second one. I think these are so precious. They're just adorable. They're so cute to just have sitting around, okay? Wasn't hard at all to make. And then here is our third one, this precious little gnome. He is absolutely adorable. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday, for a Dollar Tree haul. I found some really nice spring items and then some more Valentines that I hadn't seen before. And then Friday, we'll have another Dollar Tree DIY. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you, and then we'll go in my utility room and see how they look in there. Well, here's the baby. She was knocked out on the couch. She's so funny. She is hilarious. She was wanting to play today, but I had to film, so she just said, well, I'll go to bed. So I'm sure we'll play when we get through. But say, I wanted everybody to see the baby. Say, hi, I love you. Say, I love you. Don't you know, Maggie? Maggie, you love your friends? Yes, she does. Oh, I could just squeeze her. Okay, well, let's go in to my utility room and see how these look out there. But these are so easy to make, and they're fun too, and they're so customizable. You could do anything that you wanted to them. So let me walk in here closer and let you see. Look at that little gnome. Is he not precious? And then this love is adorable. I think it is just so happy. I love it. And then this one is really cute. I think that with the Be Mine in the center of that heart is so cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. So until next time, bye guys.